The cabin air filter in your 2010-2024 Toyota 4Runner traps dust, pollen, and pollutants, ensuring clean air inside. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that improves air quality, HVAC performance, and eliminates musty odors. Experts recommend checking it annually or every 15,000 to 25,000 miles. To replace your cabin air filter, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. First, you'll need a new cabin air filter. Choose OEM or aftermarket brands like Bosch or Fram, costing between $10 and $30. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver to remove screws. A trim removal tool helps detach the glove box without damage. A flashlight provides better visibility in the tight space. Consider HEPA filters for superior air quality, capturing more particles. No specialized equipment is required, just these basic items. The filter housing is typically located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. Start by opening the glove box to access the area behind it. Start by emptying the glove box completely before proceeding. You may need to detach the glove box liner by releasing clips or using a screwdriver. This illustration shows the glove box components and clips you may need to release. For 2023-2024 models, clip designs may vary slightly, but the process is similar. Once the glove box is open, locate the cabin air filter housing behind it. The housing contains the filter that traps dust, pollen, and pollutants from the air. Remove the filter housing cover, which is typically secured by plastic clips or tabs. Pull the cover straight out or gently pry it loose. Gently slide out the old cabin air filter. Be careful not to damage the housing or surrounding components. Note the airflow direction indicated by arrows on the filter frame. This ensures proper installation of the new filter in the correct orientation. Now for step 3, installing the new filter. Take your new cabin air filter and insert it into the housing, making sure the airflow arrows on the filter point toward the cabin for proper filtration. Once the filter is in place with correct orientation, secure the filter housing cover back in position using the screws you removed earlier. Remember, proper filter orientation is crucial for efficient air filtration and maintaining optimal HVAC system performance. To reassemble the glove box, reattach the glove box liner and secure it using the clips or screws you removed earlier. Make sure all clips are fully engaged to prevent rattling noises, especially in higher mileage vehicles. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage to plastic housings. Finally, double-check that the glove box opens and closes smoothly without any issues. Common issues include stubborn clips that can damage the plastic housing if over-tightened. A persistent wet dog smell often indicates a clogged filter that needs replacement. Neglecting the filter can lead to fogged windows, especially in humid climates. Many 4Runner owners find this a straightforward DIY task with high success rates. Regular cabin air filter replacement saves money and improves vehicle longevity by preventing poor air quality and reduced HVAC performance. Consider upgrading to a HEPA or carbon-activated filter for enhanced air quality and odor control. HEPA filters capture fine particles, while carbon-activated filters neutralize odors. Future trends include smart, self-cleaning filters and app-integrated reminders for filter replacement, making maintenance more convenient. By 2030, advanced cabin filtration is predicted to be standard in most SUVs, improving health and comfort for drivers.